Pasta is a tasty meal that anybody can get down for. Sauce it up with roasted bell peppers, tomatoes, seasoning and spices, and you got yourself a drool-worthy dish. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a roasted pepper pasta. You only need a few simple ingredients. It is so delicious and it costs less than $5 to cook up this recipe. It's the Colorful Home Cooking Show, so let's get flowing. Are y'all ready to feast? This is one of my favorite recipes of all time. Not only is it cost effective, but it's plant-based, gluten-free, and requires only a few simple, inexpensive ingredients. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is slice up your bell peppers, tomatoes, and white onions. All of these delicious and delectable ingredients are gonna make up our roasted pepper pasta sauce. You're gonna add everything into a big baking dish. Season it up with garlic, and I love to add in Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, and of course, nutritional yeast. Make sure to sweeten it up too with a little bit of maple syrup and spice it up with red pepper flakes. Maple syrup is actually gonna help balance out the acidity from the tomatoes and the spiciness from the red pepper flakes. Be sure to add in some fresh herbs too. I love to add in fresh basil or parsley.
Salt and pepper to taste, however you like. Salt and pepper, a bit of fire to help it mix some through for veggie brown. Whatever works for you.
As you mix it up, make sure all of your vegetables are fully coated and covered in seasoning and spice. That way, all the full flavor comes through. Make sure to bake it at 425 degrees for 20 to 35 minutes. You can see the vegetables roasting up, bubbling, and boiling, and this is what's becoming our delicious sauce, my loves. Now that our vegetables are roasted and seasoned to perfection, why don't you smash them up? This is really fun, honestly. Smash all of those vegetables, add in some hummus, and if you don't want to do that, you can actually pop everything into a blender and blend it up until it's nice and creamy.
Mix it together, it's getting better. Boiling noodles down, it's getting tasty now.
So the pasta I'm cooking with today, y'all know what it is. It is the chickpea pasta everybody is talking about. Not only is it plant-based, gluten-free, but there is a ton of plant protein in here as well, my loves.
I want something to say. I want a pasta dish. You know it's so delicious. You know I'm making some pepper pasta. You know we're baking. You know you wonder. You know I'm making some pepper pasta. You know you truly know you wonder. I want roasted pepper pasta.
This video is sponsored by the One Great Vegan shop. Go to shop.onegreatvegan.com to find everything you need to get colorful in the kitchen. We got aprons, cutting boards, bags, and so much more. So go online now to get your glow on. My roasted red pepper pasta is ready, and it is the perfect balance of creamy, decadence, carb-tacular goodness, and it's 100% plant-based. Time to dig on in, time to dig on in. And it's time for this to bless my mouth. Yo! If y'all have not made this recipe yet, get into it. For real, get into this bell pepper with that tomato and that bonza pasta. I am living for it. Now, if you are looking for more recipes, more things to help you get your glow on, go to my website, onegreatvegan.com, where you can get yourself my cookbook and all of my recipes available there. Don't forget to always Sing your song, do your dance, speak your truth, and enjoy this feast. Let me just pull up a chair real quick, cause it's time. Mm.